Hello, remember we are in week 17, day 2, June 8th. First, you'll watch this video, then you'll click Async. You have 2 activities to do in Async. The first one is a Nearpod on capitalization. The next one is a practice on capitalization. Okay, so remember you need to sign in to your Carlos Rosario email, and then you're going to look for all the words that need to be capitalized. Okay. And in sync, remember today is our writing test. So you will have to come to class to do your writing test. And that's it for today. Good luck.